good? I had to give an extended, okay, intro today. All right, it's your girl Tina Marie, true reading of Radiance, aka Candle News Network. What's goody? Sorry I was not here yesterday. A lot, and I mean a lot, was going on, so I wasn't able to really post at all yesterday, but I'm back today and I got a whole lot to say, okay, because Bath and Body Works is doing the most. So they do have new body care. Of course, the tropical line is up online. It is buy 3, get 2 free right now. They don't have the water and the air and the fire and the mask online yet. So that's kind of making me say, I'm not going to place an order yet. And that's the only thing holding me back, because I want those masks, but I want to use rewards for those masks since they are $16.50. And we're going to also talk about in this video today the water mask, because someone said, can you talk about it a little bit more? I don't know if it's not working for me or what's the dealio. So, dang, dealio, how old is that word? Oh my goodness, that was back with Busta Rhymes. What's the dealio? Okay, I'm old. But candles are $15.95. They trying this mess again. They trying it again. So they trying the $15.95 on us, which is, y'all already know. I say don't bite the bullet for $15.95 because it shows them that it's okay. But I already know y'all ain't gonna listen to me, so it don't matter. And I probably won't even listen to me. So it's all good. So if you want to make an order, go ahead, do what you do. Now, some areas are doing 10 off candles, so they're $14.50. So it's selected areas. Now I'm just going to leave the pictures here. Thank you, Scents Galore, for sharing this. All Scents Galore information is below. Anybody whose photo from Instagram makes it onto Candle News Network, I always list them below because you're supposed to give credit to where your sources come from. If not, what's that, y'all? It's stealing. Okay, so I'm making that very plain. All the information is always down there for y'all to check out. The awesome people who shared this with all of us, especially for the people that don't use Instagram, that don't want to be on all types of social media like I do, being in everybody's business. So definitely just go to your state and then screenshot. That way you can see if your store is doing the $14.50. But I do think the $14.50, of course, is the better deal. They're even including Texas in this thing. So I don't know if Texas stores are going to be open today. I know where I am in Texas is thawing out, and it's thawing out nicely, but it's some areas in Texas that's still fully covered with snow. So I don't know if the Texas stores are even open. If you're in Texas and you know, or you work at a Texas store, let me know below. And also, Scents Galore shared the new sprays. I think these are cute, though. This takes me back to the 90s. You remember when your mom had the chair that they sat y'all in to take the pictures? It was the woven chairs or whatever. That's what this reminds me of and put me into a mindset of. This just gives me the whole 90s vibe with these. So that's the Island Margarita, Waikiki Beach Coconut, Flamingo Beach, Mango Mai Tai, and Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. Out of all these, Island Margarita, definitely. Flamingo Beach, I gonna have to smell that maybe, and Mango Mai Tai maybe, but yeah, this is giving me 90s. That's what it's giving me. Now the Somebody Loves You is coming in so many different forms. I've never seen something come in like 8 to 10 different forms for one name. Okay, this is buttercream cupcake. So this Somebody Loves You is buttercream cupcake, and this is the pocket back. This is Pretty Magical Things who shared this. Again, her information is below. Love this, need this. When I find this, 5 of these, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, need it all, need them. I love buttercream cupcake to eat and to smell. So definitely need those in my arsenal. Another thing that she shared, and I don't understand why y'all love these things. Where's Waldo Easter bunnies? This puts me in that TikTok where dude's like, so look up at the screen. That's your man. And she like, and I'm stand beside him. And that's how y'all is. The people that support this one, y'all gonna stand beside him. Because this right here, I'm sorry, I cannot get into it. I can't. Like, if you're one of the people that can get into it, please explain this to me, because I don't see it. And these are bags, just so you guys know. They're like $3 and some change, I think. And then she also shared with us this pineapple pineapple candle holder. I think this is cute. I think this is for somebody that wants to get that little pop of summer going. I wouldn't be buying it because I got all the mermaid pedestals, the butterfly pedestals. I'm pedestaled out at this moment. Is that a word? Pedestal out. I'm pedestaled out at the moment. So I don't need any in my life. So I will be skipping it. But I think it's really pretty. If you want a pop of the island in your home, definitely pick that up. Now, speaking of home, I did my hygiene routine. No water edition. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. And by no water, I mean no running water, because I was still able to have water from snow, because you can melt snow. Also, I had a temporary apartment, but now that one has no water. And if you have a friend or someone you can get water from, that's also a great resource. Just go ahead and fill up some gallon jugs with water and bring it back home. So that option was available to me as well. So definitely check out that video. So now we're going to talk about this water mask. This water mask is not a clay-based mask. I thought it was going to be. Y'all saw the video and I was like, wait, what is this? So it's more of a gel kind of consistency, but as soon as it hits your skin, it feels just like water. And every time I say water now, all I think of is it's just water. Oh, it's just water. Oh, y'all got to watch TikTok to understand what I'm talking about. But that's what I think about now. But it's a nice gel consistency, and it just glides onto the skin. And as it glides onto the skin, it locks in moisture, and it's supposed to lock the moisture in for 24 hours. I feel that it hydrates my skin. I don't have an issue with it. It really does hydrate and lock in the moisture in my skin, especially with the temperatures being so cold and with me not even having that much water. It's really locking the moisture. Like, I'm touching my hand and my arm right now and I still feel the moisture. So I like it. That's my little review on that. Now, I wanted to let you guys know I did do some vlogs. So if you want to know, can I talk? If y'all want to know what's going on with me and where I am, go ahead and check out my vlog channel. It's Tina's World. And y'all can check up and see what's going on. My situation is nowhere compared to the people that are having pipes leak throughout their home, that have no electricity. No, that's not my situation. My situation is just without the water, stuck with all this ice and stuff like that. So that's my situation. I don't want to make my situation look bigger than what it is, because it's not, but I am sharing my situation with y'all. Now, I want to share this. This was so funny. I seen this in Bath and Body Works Uncensored. Okay, people that ain't got no electricity right now, this is what they doing, and I think this is super duper smart. Taking the candle, warming up the pot from the candle with some canned goods just to have boiling water. Very smart, very, very smart. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Continue to pray for people that are without power. A lot of the power grids are back up, thank God. So a lot of people have power, but there's still over 300,000 people at this time without power. But that is a great improvement from 4 million. So I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy Candle News Network. And DJ, play my music.